Kidia. Now we are going to balance the revaluation account. So now you see here revaluation account, debit side you got the amount 6,000 plus 3,000 plus 2,000, that is 9 plus 2 11,000. In credit side you got only 1,000 rupees. So the maximum amount is available in the debit side. So now the revaluation account shows the debit balance of rupees 11,000. The same amount is to be written in the credit side also, because the excess amount, the maximum amount should be written in both sides. So 11,000 is written. Now we are going to balance the both side. When I am going to balance the both side, credit side you got that shortage in 10,000. Shortage in 10,000. The shortage is considered as a loss on revaluation. Loss on revaluation. The loss on revaluation should be transferred to the old partners. So by loss on revaluation account, loss on revaluation transferred to the old partners. Who are the old partners? Rahu and Sham. So transferred to Rahu's capital account and Sham capital account. So now the 10,000 amount is going to be distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. The profit sharing ratio already they have given 3:2. That case 3 by 5, 2 by 5. So 3 by 5 for Rahu. So 10,000 into 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 for Rahu and 10,000 into 2 by 5 for Sham. So now you see here 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. So 2000 into 3, 6,000. 2000 into 3 is equal to 6,000. So 6,000 for the first partner Rahu. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. So 2 into 2, 4. 4,000. So 4,000 for Sham. So the total amount 10,000 is written in the outer column. Now when I go to balance, you got 11,000. Now it is balanced. So now you see here the last entry is revaluation account debit, Rahu's capital account debit, Sham's capital account debit to revaluation account. So the profit or loss, which is recorded in the revaluation account, it should be transferred to partner's capital account. Now we got the loss. So the loss should be transferred to the partner's capital account. So incomes are recorded in the credit side, loss is recorded in the debit side of the partner's capital account. So Rahu's capital account debit to revaluation account, Sam's capital account debit to revaluation account. So in the partner's capital account, Rahu's column I am going to record rupees 6,000 in the name of 1/4/2017 to revaluation account, that is loss. For Rahu 6,000, Sham 4,000, Prakash no. So now it is recorded. So the entry amount of the last amount is recorded here. Okay, dear. Now revaluation account is over. Now we are going to balance the partner's capital account. So now you see here in partner's capital account, credit side you got 6,000 and 4,000, but here 40,000, 30,000, 10,000. So the excess amount, maximum amount is in credit side only. So partner's capital account shows credit balance. Now we are going to balance it. Here we got 10,000 for Prakash. So Prakash column we can balance it first. 10,000. Here no amount is recorded, but the same 10,000 should be written here. So 10,000 is written. 10,000 is written. The difference amount is written separately. 10,000. Okay. Then we are going to balance for Sham. So 30,000 is available here. Maximum amount. The same 30,000 should be written here also. So 30,000 is written. Now 30,000 minus 4,000, the different amount is 26,000. That is recorded here, 26,000 difference balance amount. Then for Rahu, what is amount? 40,000 is available amount in credit side. So the same 40,000 is recorded in the debit side also in the balancing column. 40,000. The different amount is 34,000. 34,000, that is recorded here. Now this amount, how it's going to be recorded mean, that's a closing date balance. That is 1/4/2017, same date evening, to balance C by D, to balance C by D. The next day it will be recorded as, that is we can record as 1/4/2017 or 2/4/2017 also, no problem. 1/4/2017 itself I record in that, 1/4/2017 by balance B by D. The amount 34,000 for Rahu and 26,000 for Sham and Prakash 10,000. Now it is recorded. So now we prepare the revaluation account and partners capital account. Then we have to prepare the journal entry for the revaluation and the amount which is brought by the partner.